Hello everyone, my name is Manjot Kaur. I believe every child is unique, capable, and full of potential in their life. Every child deserves to feel safe, respected, valued, and included. During my early childhood education journey and school age placement, I learned that children learn best when they are given opportunity to explore, ask questions, and learning through play. Today, I would like to share my beliefs about teaching and learning the educator I want to become. The experiences that have shaped my teaching philosophy into a teaching manifesto. The next slide, I believe children are capable, competent, curious, and creative learners. Children learn through play, exploration, conversations, and meaningful experiences. They naturally ask questions, solve problems, and build knowledge when educators value their ideas. I believe every child's voice matters. My role is listen to carefully and encourage children to investigate their own questions rather than simply giving them answers. The next one is I believe an educator is a guide, a listener, and a partner in children's learning. My responsibility is to build caring relationships, observe children's interests, and create meaningful learning opportunity for them. I also believe families are children's first teachers. Working together with families help create a respectful and inclusive learning environment where every child feels a sense of belonging. Then next is the learning environment. I believe the learning environment is one of the most important parts of children's learning. The environment is the third teacher of children's learning. A welcoming, organized, and inclusive environment encourages children to explore, create, and become independent learners. Open-ended materials such as books, loose parts, natural objects, and art supplies invite children to think creatively and investigate their own ideas. The teaching pro tell us I believe children learn best through play and inquiry. Instead of giving children answers, I want to encourage them to ask questions, investigate, experiment, discover together. Then learning begins with children's interest. They become more engaged, confident, excited about learning. The next one is educational philosophy and earlier models. What inspires my practice? The Reggio Emilia approach strongly connects with my beliefs because it views children as capable and active participants in their learning. It also values relationships and learning environment, children's interest, and their different ways of expressing ideas. My practice is also guided by how does learning happen. Its four foundations are belonging, well-being, engagement, and expression. These foundations remind me to look beyond academic learning and think about the whole child. Now, why I teach? I believe teaching has three important purposes. First, to help children become confident, independent, and learners. Second, to inspire curiosity through exploration, problem solving, and inquiry. Third, to create an inclusive environment where every child feels respected, valued, and successful. Teaching is not only about knowledge, it is also about relationships, identity, creativity, and learning how to live and learn with others. Now, there is my placement experience. I experienced the power of inquiry based learning with children. One memorable experience was our beetle inquiry. It began with one simple question about how beetle survives, as ending with bug restaurants. Instead of giving them simple answer, I encouraged children to investigate using books, measuring tools, video, and observations. Their curiosity led to many new discoveries. Another meaningful experience was the bug restaurant. Children explored edible insects through dramatic playbooks, menus, and discussions. This experience showed me that children learn deeply when their own ideas guide the learning. It becomes the real inquiry. It starts from simple question and ending with the bug restaurant. So it was so amazing for me. My guiding principle, these principles will guide my teaching throughout my career. I will build caring relationship with children and families. I will create an inclusive environment where everyone feels welcome, valued, and respected. I will encourage curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. I will continue learning and growing so I can provide meaningful learning experience for every child in their life. So now overall it's showing I believe education is not about giving children all the answers. It is about helping them become confident, curious, kind and lifelong learners. As an educator, I choose to listen before I teach, observe before I plan and build relationships before I expect learning to happen. I will continue creating learning environments where children feel safe to ask questions, take risks, express themselves, and discover the world around them. So these are references from where I get that data. Thank you for listening my personal teaching manifesto.